Hello lovely viewers, it's your girl Christy aka Niki CH and welcome back to the Matter Gags, Brony Obitimi Akan. Yes, come the white with my dialect. If you really want to know, follow me. Hi, please what's your name?
My name is Uyghur.
Uyghur.
Yes.
Do you have a nickname?
I used to have a nickname that was Timp.
Okay, nice. Can you read my dialect?
Shut up, everybody. Listen.
So, 2 Chorinthians 13:14. Avorade Jesu Christu Adam.
Hey, what is up, right?
An Jacob something.
Chai! Continue. No problem.
Kopon do ne honhom kronkon an Jankofa nkamanina.
Welcome to the Matter Gags. Hi, please what's your name?
Sanne.
Sona, do you have a nickname?
Not really. Not that I can think of.
Okay.
Look at this.
2 Corinthians 13 verse 14.
Avurade, Jesu Christo, Adom,
Hey, what is up, right?
Continue.
Onyankop DC,
What did you say?
Onyankop DC,
Who taught you that?
Continue.
ne onom knonkton ayonkofan
Thank you.
nakomo niya,
That's the way you talk. Repeat and make.
nakomo niya.
Hey! Nkata toge.
Welcome to the Matter Gags. Hi, please what's your name?
Stella.
Stella. Do you have a nickname?
No.
Oh, okay. Can you read this for me? 2 Corinthians 13 verse 14.
Oh.
It's about to go down.
Avurade, Jesu Christo, Adom, Onyankop
12 seconds later.
ne honum ne honum kon ai kofa nkamo niena.
A word of storyteller. Are you sure?
Welcome to the Matter Gags. We want to say a big thank you to all our subscribers, to our participants, and to everyone watching us. Big ups. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit on the bell to select all options so you will be the first to get notified when we upload our videos. Like, comment, and share.